I live in Sackville, New Brunswick. I'm a potter and I have a textiles obsession. What I like about needle felting is that it's like drawing with wool. Like you can do like shading and lots of detail. That was my very first needle felting, the one in the window there. One of the reasons I work small is because it's portable. I need to keep busy all the time, so I like to have little projects on the go that can fit in my pocket or my purse and that I can be making all the time.